Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how you can update your iPhone on PC and laptop Windows. So guys, let's get started. The requirements for this video are pretty easy. You need your iPhone and the cable with which you are charging your iPhone, and of course on your PC you will be needing to download iTunes. To do so, you are simply going to open your Microsoft Store, and from there you are going to search for iTunes. As you can see right in front of us, I'm going to search for iTunes and then click on the icon of iTunes. I have installed it already, so all it's left to do is to open it. Once you have opened it, you are simply going to connect your phone. So here I'm going to connect my phone with the PC, and wait for the connection. So as you can see, a new iPhone software version is available for the iPhone. Would you like to download it and update your iPhone now? So this will appear automatically once you open the iTunes or connect to your mobile phone, or you simply can go right here and this is what your phone is, and you can update it right through here. So it's very easy and very simple. And yeah guys, this is how you can update your mobile. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video.